Hello all the warriors, this is Roy. Welcome to Arena, and today we're gonna do a compare for those three different type of the Folly Cowled plate and see which one FRP and silver carbon and the black carbon, and see which one is the best and which one is lighter and also stronger. Okay, so let's start with the video. Let's and go. Okay, so here I already opened those three package and it's just gonna show you what's the different inside. And here I have the FRP silver and the black carbons, and then also I just listed and everything we can see. Actually for the all three the package, no matter the bushing, screws, nuts, whatever, everything comes in the package. For all of them are exactly same. So no matter what, those three are come with exactly same thing. So here the only thing I find out is the silver Folly Cowled plate compared with the black one is only the item number are different, but the inside of the package for those two instruction papers are exactly same, even though the item number are exactly same as well. Okay, so the next we're gonna compare the material and see which one is harder and which one is stronger. All right, and also which one is lighter. So let's and go. Okay, so here we're just gonna check, see which one is the lightest. So here I have a scale that I'm gonna put each one on the scale and check the weight, which one is the heavier and which one is lighter. So we start from the FRP. It's 2.53. Okay, so next we're gonna start with the black first. So the black is 1.98. okay, and it looks pretty good. The number looks pretty light. So now we're gonna try the silver one. The silver is the newest release one. Then we see what he can do. Oh my god, that's 2.23. All right. I didn't expect that. Actually, it's a little bit heavier. So the FRP is the heaviest one, then the silver is heavy, and then the lightest will be the black one. Okay, so well, we're gonna do it one more time. So let's check. The FRP is 2.53, and the silver is 2.23. Okay, so it's 2.23, same as like what we checked before. And now let's gonna check our lightest one. Black is still 1.98. okay, so right now we can know which one is the lightest. So if you wanna make your car lighter, so for all those three, absolutely, even though the silver is the just new release, is still the black one is still the lighter. And now we're gonna test see which one is stronger. So I'm gonna twist it and see which one is soft, and then which one is okay, and which one is the strongest. Okay, so after I twist it, then I can tell, definitely tell the soft will be the FRP, because that is really easy to get twisted. And then compare the silver and the black, and I was just gonna say, like, here I'm gonna twist it one more time and just feel it and see if I'm right. Okay, so here after I tried it, I would definitely tell you the silver is much more softer than the black one. So the black one will be the strongest one. And so here, if here's honest advice, is if you want to make your car much more stronger and you wish your car can get lighter, the black one will be the best choice for you, because the silver is compared to the black is way too heavy, and also is easily to twist, is too soft. So if that's the case, like, unless you really have no choice, otherwise I would definitely choose the black one. The FRP silver and the black, I would definitely choose the black one no matter what, because I want to make sure my car has the best setup. Okay, so this is today's video, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Alright, thank you very much. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you, I'll see you next time.